Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a bunch of earrings and a necklace that I made and a memory wire bracelet with pair matching earrings. I was busy the other day. I was just in my bead room all day having a blast and making a bunch of stuff. So I'll just show you all of it. So this was the first thing that I'm showing you. It's just this nice little kind of eclectic necklace. I will put everything, there'll be pictures up of everything at the end if you watch till the end of the video so you can see. So some of this stuff I bought from Auntie's Beads. Some of this was from Dollar Bead Box. These are my own Mayuki seed beads. So just kind of show you it up close. And the little feather, and I love these little arrows, they're so cute. So that's, get it situated. So that's the first one. Then for the earrings, let me grab these. I have them all hanging up here in pairs. So this was the first pair I'm showing you. I did a lot of antique brass. There's a few copper and a few silver, but most of them are antique brass. And these are all lightweight. So I absolutely love these. These little filigrees. I like using the filigrees when I make earrings because they're lightweight, because last thing you want to do is wear a heavy earring. So I have those. And the next pair is these. Oh, wait, I have them on backwards. Hold on one second. Okay. These cute little ones too. And then I use this beadle-on stringing wire for this part of it. And then I did crimp covers right there. It kind of showed the wire because the wire matched with everything. So, yeah, so these are the earrings, another pair. Then I'll show you all the antique brass ones first. And I did these. I had a lot of fun making these. It was just one of those days, you know, when you're just in your bead room and you're just full of inspiration and you just look at stuff and it all comes to you. So I have these. I'm really loving the antique brass too. I ordered this stuff from Auntie's Beads. I wasn't sure. I was like, but okay. Then I have these are. This is a mixed metal. This is antique brass and copper. So, and again, I used the beadle-on, and I just strung it up. These are Mayuki seed beads, and I strung it up, strung them down all the way down to the bottom, and then I used crimp covers and left a tiny little hole there so I could attach these little dangles to them. And I did a 2-hole bead for this right there. So this is that. Then, let me see here. Where am I up next? Okay. Now we're going to go with the silver. These are just a cute pair. These I just used the regular wire inside. Kind of those. Okay, then let's see. Oh, these are pretty. These I had bought all of antique silver rings from Auntie's Beads, and I made these from them. When I take a picture of them dangling, you'll be able to see them a little better, but they're nice and lightweight. They're so pretty. There's a pretty little pair of earrings. I did the little turquoise Miyuki seed beads just dangling from little jump rings. Just a fun little pair. They go with probably a lot of different outfits and stuff. Then I made these. These are kind of little funky little earring. I like the way these turned out. These I did use. These are the beads from the bargain bead box for December. The dark blue ones. And then these are from Auntie's Beads. I made those. Really pretty. And then I made these are, I had some turquoise. Let me grab these, they're not coming up. Some chunky raw turquoise. So I used them and I just put the feathers with them. So they're kind of a, I guess you could call it a southwestern flare. Got the little red seed beads, the feathers with, oh, they're kind of chunky. They look better when they're hanging up than when they're laying down. Just get, if I can get it. Yeah, so these turned out really pretty too. And then, let me see here, let me grab this. This was just, I had a bunch of beads left over from here and there, so I ended up making this memory wire bracelet. And I love these little flowers that I got from Auntie's Beads. So, and then I had this flower, antique silver flower, I think was left over from one of the old bargain bead box subscriptions. Maybe a couple months ago. I don't really remember. And then I made these little earrings to go with it. Let me lay them down. Again, I love those flowers. They can be used as connectors on a necklace or just charms on a bracelet. They're very versatile. And here's the bracelet, put it on. So here's like one side with the little, so this would be how it would look when you're wearing it. And then here's all the little charms. So it's really pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, this piece is absolutely beautiful. I keep my boxes kind of separated. Let me move these to the side. Hold on, let me move these to the side because this is kind of a long piece. I want to bring them. And I loved making the other Lariat necklace that I made a couple months ago. I ended up selling it, and she really loved it. So I made another one. This, I went into my turquoise green earthy tone box, and I put this one together, and I have this big, chunky, rustic-looking bead on there with the leopard print. And then I have the big copper feather. And then like this bead was from a Sam's bead box from back, a couple months ago maybe. So what I did was I have and I used, again, the Beadalon. Love this stuff. I used it, and then I went in with the seed beads and crystal beads and everything, and then I went to the 2-hole beads. So I made the hoop for it to go through. And then I just went and I do some single beads there, and then do a couple of the double hole beads just to kind of keep it together. So I'm just kind of going through here so you can kind of look at it up close to see the pattern. See, so it would have, you know, a little bit of separation. I didn't have any pattern in mind when I did it. That's what I love about doing these. I don't really like following patterns. I think they can get kind of tedious and boring. I just like to kind of do my own thing with these. They're just really pretty. I love the copper in here. And I do have a little bit of antique brass in there. And then I did the last couple of the double hole beads, and then I went and separated it towards the end. And then, so it will kind of dangle. I'll show you in the picture at the end. You can see when it's hanging on a bust what it looks like. And it's just like some little copper daggers, some of the check glass table cut beads, the copper feather. But yeah, I just absolutely love the way this turned out. It's just such a pretty bracelet, or pretty necklace. You probably can wear it as a bracelet, but I don't know about those. They might be a little too chunky. And if you actually have if you have a smaller neck, you could wrap it around twice, or there's a couple different ways to wear this. I will show them in the pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna take pictures of all these and I will put them up at the end. I think that was it for all my jewelry that I created so far. So yeah, so I had an absolute blast here in my bead room doing this the other day. So I just wanted to share this with you all. And thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I am on Instagram, Facebook, and Etsy. And I will be putting most of these up for sale on Etsy. So if you're interested, you can go look there. So thanks again, and see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.